So what does a financial independence mean to you as a woman? Because most of the men are doing it in the household now.
No, we couldn't hear the last part of your question.
What does
Most-
financial independence mean to you?
as a woman?
As a woman, I think, I realized a few years ago that money is power, and it's not just important for you to earn money. You have to be in charge of your money. You have to decide how to spend your money, how to save your money, how to invest your money, and how to grow your money. So I think that, because money power gives you the strength to be able to take on decisions for yourself, unapologetically, fearlessly. Because कितनी बार हमने सुना है कि especially when it comes to women, right? वो क्योंकि उनके पास और कोई जरिया नहीं है, they stay on, for example, in marriages that are not working for them. People are not able to chase their dreams and, for example, give up a job and do something, a long desired passion, because they've not taken care of their money. So I think financial independence is very empowering. It is key, in my opinion, for every individual, and that much more for every woman. जब मेरी शादी हो रही थी, तो मेरे पापा ने कहा, अच्छा अब शादी हो रही है. He used to handle my finances. He said, now let your husband handle it. I said, hello, where am I in all this? Why won't you trust me with handling my own money? I said, it's great, that Siddharth is always there for me to take advice from. But, and my father's also there, but I said, I want to start taking charge of my money. And he said, but you don't know anything. You've never taken an interest. I said, I'll make a start now. और मैंने शुरू किया समझना कि, we all love the smell and the touch of money, but actually to handle your money, to know what to do with it, how much you have primarily. कितनी औरतें हैं जिनको ये भी नहीं पता है कि उनके पास कितना पैसा है. So that started, my relationship with money started changing. As I took charge, my money started growing. I have to be honest with you.
So like you just said, money is power. So what does money actually mean to you, and what do you have to what
I love money.
And what
Who doesn't?
Okay.
No, what does really money gives you buying power, not just in terms of material things, not just in terms of houses. It gives you security. It allows you to lead the life you want to be leading. Once that is taken care of, money is not the be-all and end-all of happiness, but we all know that money is a very crucial component. If that is taken care of, then you can actually live your life to the fullest, in the truest way possible that you want to. And सबके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. But you have to have enough to make you feel that I'm self-sufficient. कि मैं अपने आप में, काफ़ी हूँ. I'm enough.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.